So how much time duration or gap is needed between a surgery and planning a pregnancy? So it depends on what kind of surgery you've been through. So if it was a ovarian or tubal related surgery, I don't think you need a gap. But if it was a surgery which is done on the uterus, like a fibroid removal, there should be a gap. So if it was a laparoscopic fibroid removal, 3 months is the recommended time. If it was a huge fibroid where the fibroid was touching the endometrium, then there is a need of 6 months gap. If it was an open fibroid removal, then again 6 months gap is definitely needed before you plan for next pregnancy. And if it was a previous C-section which you've given a childbirth recently, definitely you need a 2 years gap before you plan for the second baby. But recently I also see people coming immediately after the first C-section, 6 months they conceive and come, and we do take care. That is something which is to be avoided. So if you had been through other general surgery like appendicectomy or any surgery related to your intestines, these kind of surgeries are slightly a major surgery, and definitely you need to give a gap of 6 months to 1 year. So appendicectomy is very mild, probably you can conceive within 3 to 4 months, but any other surgery pertaining to intestines, probably you need to give a 6 months to 1 year. Now recently people are going in for bariatric surgery for weight loss. So after you go through a bariatric surgery and weight loss, you need to have 1 year gap before you plan or get into a fertility treatment to plan a pregnancy. So most of the other major surgeries definitely will require 1 year period of time before you can even think of having a baby. So when you're going through a major surgery, there is a lot of changes which is happening in your body. Sometimes you're not your vitamin deficiency, or you can have a lot of iron deficiency, or nutrition might not be adequate enough. So to rehabilitate and recuperate from the surgery itself, your body will need 3 months to 6 months to get to a normalcy. So from that, again you have to be fit enough, concentrate on your fitness, concentrate on your good diet, and concentrate on your mind. All this needs definitely 1 year time period after any major surgery. And conceiving before this period, like within 6 months or 7 months you get pregnant, definitely your stress levels during the pregnancy period is going to be very high. Sometimes you can be nutritionally deficient, where you will need a lot of nutritional supplements. Sometimes you might have a lot of tiredness, weakness, and coping up with the pregnancy might be difficult during the pregnancy period. So if you're planning a pregnancy after a major surgery, please consult your gynecologist even before planning, so that you will have a clarity, and sometimes you can correct your nutritional deficiencies even before planning, and that will be very beneficial rather than randomly getting pregnant.